Hi everyone, I'm Nefise, one of the SEO team member from Boostrise, and today we will talk about meta titles. So let's start. First of all, what is meta title? Basically, the meta title is an HTML element that specifies the title of a web page. So the title of a web page appears as a clickable link on a search engine result page as a part of search snippets. So it is very important for user experience and SEO projects because the title tag of a web page gives the user a clear indication of what to find within the page. So we can say that meta title is the first thing that user can see about our pages. So from here, there are two different approach about why are meta titles important. First of all, and first one is user experience. So as I said before, from a user experience, we can say that meta titles point to the moment the user first encounters our site on the search result page. For this reason, it directly affects the profile we will create for the user at the first moment. So with a correctly structured page title, we take the first step to impress the user, because we want that the user wants to find the correct information about their queries. So after they put their queries on a search bar, and then when they see the search result, they just want the correct information. So if they thought that this is the correct information for me, so then I can click. So the other side is search engines. So in terms of search engines, the importance of web page title is related to the ranking of our pages. So because search bots pay attention to the page titles to understand our page's contents, product or service. So when search bots associate the keywords in our page title with the page content, they can position our pages at the top, seeing our page as related to the search query. So what kind of problems that we can see in our websites about meta titles? The first one is, and we call it short meta titles. So meta titles, if they are written much shorter than the recommended length, they're going to fall into this group. So it is necessary to revise these titles by paying attention to the character limits. And the second one is long meta titles. So meta titles that are much longer than the recommended length fall into this group. So we need to revise these meta titles again. The last one is duplicate meta title. So same and repetitive titles are in this group. It means that all the titles of our pages should be revised to be different and unique from each other, because users and also search engines want to see different unique title for our web page. So what is approaches about meta titles? So the first of all, we need to care about the character limit. So 60 or 65 characters are the recommended character length to increase our appearance and ranking in Google search results. Otherwise, Google may not display our full title and use ellipses, or they can write a different title that they think is related to our page. And in addition to this, we must be careful not to exceed this limit, as there may be omissions when displaying titles over 570 or 580 px in desktop results. And also we can get more effective results by writing the most important word, most important keyword for us at the beginning of the title. And also to take advantage of our brand name, we can create a structure to use our brand name in our titles. So we can use our brand name in our titles in every time. And also, as I said before, the title used on each page must be different and unique. And the other thing is titles should be created without keyword stuffing, because search engines and users don't like keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing means that using lots of different keyword or keyword version in the same title, so it is not necessary. And the last one is a title tag should be created for each new page we add to our site. For example, you will create a new landing page or you will post a new blog post, so you need to care about your title, so you should write your meta titles for each new pages. So finally, what can we achieve with meta title optimization? Why this is really important for us? By optimizing our meta titles in the proper structure and presenting information related to our page to user and search engines, we can affect our page's organic visibility and rankings. So from this point of view, we aim at increasing organic traffic, increasing non-brand organic traffic, and increasing conversion. Because if the user think that this page is related to my query, I can find information, I can find the correct product from this page, they will spend time in your website. So this is the meta title optimization issue. So have fun.